We are learning to do 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication, and the students are learning a few methods so they can choose the one that works best for them. First, I'm going to show you the area model. You start with making a rectangle, and then you break up your numbers by place value. So 25 is broken up tens place, ones place, 20, and 5. Then we do the same thing with the 14. Break it up into place value, the tens place and the ones place. From there, we multiply these numbers, okay, together. The numbers on the horizontal, the numbers on the vertical. So as you can see, we're doing 20 times 10, and then 20 times 4, and then 5 times 10, and 5 times 4. The reasoning we do this, it gives us some easy numbers to multiply with, and the kids can do this in their heads. Once we have these answers, then we add all 4 numbers up. When you add all 4 numbers up, you will get 350. This next method has many different names. I refer to it as the all partials, but it's just multiplication using place value. We will start with multiplying the ones place. 4 times 5 is 20. Then 4 again times 2, but that's not really a 2 because it's in the tens place, it's a 20. So that would give us 80. And I am done with my 4. I go to my 1, but that's not really a 1, that's a 10 because it's in the tens place. So 10 times 5 is 50, and then 10 times 20, 1 times 2, but they're really in the tens place, gives me 200. And then when I add up all of my numbers, I get 350. It's very similar to the previous area model method, except we're not drawing a rectangle. And the last method is the standard algorithm that most of us have learned when we were in school. Start with the ones place. 4 times 5, 4 ones times 5 ones gives me 20, which is made up of 2 tens and 0 ones. So I regroup my 2 tens. 4 times 2 is 8. That's really a 20, so that's 80. Plus 2 gives me 100. Now I move to my tens place. 1 times 5, it's really 10 times 5. That gives me 50. And then 1 times 2, which is really 10 times 20, gives me 200. I add them up, and I get 350. The whole point of showing the students all these different methods is everybody learns differently, so they will choose the one that works best for them. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.